Use the railgun!
I'm guessing these regulators aren't here to help me free the scientists. The lab is sealed. I should find another way in. Quickly. I wonder if I could reposition the railgun.
We've got a hero here! It's on us!
Sometimes the simplest solution is the correct one. In this case, railgun!
Are we just gonna let them beat our side?
This was just poor planning on your part. Should have seen this coming.
Are you kidding me? Fight back!
You think you're getting a breeze? You're in for a shock! This is as far as you get.
Nothing's better off with you in prison.
Warning. Safety parameters compromised.
Don't worry, I'm only hurting a door.
It was Batman, right? We spoke earlier? Thank God you came when you did.
Wouldn't have known without your call.
He took all of our cryogel. It's enough to drain the thermal energy from Gotham 3 times over.
Enough to freeze all of Gotham. We'll take care of Freeze. Just do me a favor and stay put until the police get here. Tell them what you told me.
I will. Again, thank you.
Don't forget that you have a rendezvous with Mr. Hendricks.
Cool. Thanks, Belfry.
Good to see you back and safe.
I've always heard the orchard...
We need to find that cryogel. And take down Freeze. He killed that scientist. Just to spite us. And then... he got away!
He said it was Batman's fault. Bruce promised him a cure for his condition.
In return, Freeze is supposed to behave. But I guess with Bruce gone, he's back in the game. What have you got, Tim?
Judging from the list of stolen items, I'd say he's looking to upgrade his exosuit. And that's just for starters.
He also downloaded local weather balloon data for the past 10 years.
Let's go back out there and stop Freeze before he kills anyone else. Yes!
Easy, Tiger. We'll get him. Maybe that's enough practice for today.
I've set the Bat computer to monitor the city for high concentrations of cryogel.
Meanwhile, we should keep tabs on anyone working for Freeze, which should be easy since he decks out all of his lackeys with cryoguns.
Not only is the court real, but so are Talons.
I thought they'd be more, I don't know, intelligent? They're supposed to be the court's greatest weapon.
It's more difficult to control someone capable of free will.
Or anyone able to think at all?
But that doesn't mean we can underestimate them. They are still capable fighters.
Sure. I just won't try to have a conversation with them.
I do believe we have a guest.
You're telling me a cat managed to break through a world-class security system?
It wouldn't be the first cat to find its way past the bat's walls.
Any visuals on our new tenant yet?
Not yet, but I suspect if we start leaving food out for him, we may find ourselves with a new addition to the Bat family.
I'll ask one of the guys to swing past the pet store after the next patrol. A pet in the belfry. Could be kind of fun.
Don't forget that you have a rendezvous with Mr. Hendricks.
Acknowledge, Belfry.
Units needed by Big Four security. Suspicious activity with signs of electric surges. Use caution.
Hurry up! We have to get the equipment in place. Find you in the back door. Get this spyware on every machine on their network.
Those cop patrol rooms we downloaded better be accurate, or we'll be in trouble.
Come on, you gotta hustle!
Shouldn't take much longer.
We can't have any interruption. Stay alert. Could you hurry up already?
We almost got it.
You can always take this off. You can do that too. Come on, you gotta hustle. Come on, you gotta hustle.
We'll be done real soon. Here's the one of those vigilantes that are looking at themselves, right? I need someone to watch my back.
Someone here! Quick! I can't believe I'm doing this. I won't let you outrun me.
You had to do things the hard way. What? Never seen a crime fight?
Now just get
They're not done yet. There's more of them. Let's do this. Now that's just embarrassing. Coming at ya.
Look at it! This is embarrassing! Give her all you got!
You know, you could just...
You need to step up your game.
Investigate near Akron Chemicals. We have reports of gang activity.
Get that door from me. I'm gonna have words with that scuzzy.
Right away! We can't let him testify!
Keep that up and you'll resist attack. I've gotta find him.
No, please!
Keep looking, it can't be far.
Get ready! We're almost in!
Where's that scuzzy hiding? Gear up, people! Batgirl's here! Something just hit me! Keep your eyes open.
Go, go!
Where's that guy?
You messed with the wrong hero.
I'll take it. Come
more bad guys? No problem.
Don't let her get me. I'll get you. I can't do that. I don't want to die.
Let's do this again.
She's over here. No, please. No. Don't give her a chance. We're in trouble. I'll freeze them solid. Come back. I'm getting bored. Wait, no!
I took care of him. You're safe.
Thank you.
We're gonna be going on the scene soon.
Have to move.
Looks like we got a gang member down. Units requested at the Dixon docks. There's reports of criminals moving possibly stolen goods.
The boss gave us a job to do, and we'll do it. So stop grumbling.
Where is it? Better stay out of sight. Would you shut up for once?
You dumbass better keep an eye out.
Watch out for Kate. You can't screw this up. Keep a lookout for masks. Lights out. Gotcha.
Belfry, this won't last long outside of cold storage.
Dr. Tompkins will meet you. I'll send the coordinates.
Thank you. I'll get this exactly where it needs to go. Happy to help. Get home safe.